Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to invite team members in Calendly. To do that, you want to simply look to the uppermost center of your screen, not right, but to the center. You'll find user icon with a plus. If you hover over that, it's going to say invite user. This is basically to invite members. So once you click on that, you will have the option now to invite your team members. So go ahead and click on that. You receive a pop-up, and here you can invite your members. So you can type in whatever it is. So I'm going to enter, for example, an email address here. So let me go ahead and get a full email so that I can invite a member. So you can go ahead and you can enter email address separated by commas, etc. And then you will send the invite. And that's pretty much how you invite members to Calendar, guys. Once you hit send, you're going to see that the invite has been sent. And so that person will just need to go ahead and accept my invitation. Once they accept my invitation, they will be able to join Calendly. What does that email look like? It looks just like this. This is what they receive, and they just need to go ahead and accept the invitation to join Calendly. So I'm going to go ahead and go through the full process so that you can see how that looks like once the person go ahead and join Calendly. So let me go ahead and open it, accept the invitation. And so they will accept to sign up. They'll go ahead and agree and sign up, select their email address, and of course they will need to go through, if they don't have an account, they will need to basically go through all the steps to ensure that they have an account as well. So you can see here, just like the beginning of creating an account, if you see a previous video that I've created asking, showing you how to create an account, they will basically need to go through the steps to basically do that. So I'm going to go ahead and say, for example, this. Next, I'm going to go ahead and just basically go through the steps to create a second account right here. And this is basically from the step of the person who you invite. So let's say they click and continue as well. They work with the Google Meets, they continue, and they will have their account set up. And so this is how they will see their account, right? So this is from the user account of that person. And that's it. So I'm going to close out of this account right now. And so back to the main account. So once you invite the person will be there, and of course you will now be able to see your members once you have them, right? So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you go ahead and invite members to Calendly.